Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Mythic Gear in Kingshot. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to acquire Mythical Gear in Kingshot, one of the most powerful types of equipment in the game. Mythical Gears offer superior stats and can significantly enhance your hero, but obtaining it as a long-term goal that requires planning. One of the most reliable ways for free-to-play players is through the Arena Shop, where cosmetic hero gear chests can drop specific pieces of mythical gear when available. For those willing to invest, higher VIP levels provide daily bundles and exclusive rewards that include mythical gear, making progression faster and more consistent. While reaching top tier VIP status isn't strictly necessary, aiming for at least a mid to high VIP level increases your chances of acquiring these rare items. Ultimately, success in obtaining mythical gear combines both smart resource management and strategic gameplay. So plan carefully and make the most of available opportunities to gradually build a powerful set. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.